Hi everyone, my name is Leverick and I welcome you to the second part of my Rubik's Cube tutorial. We focus now on the first step, which consists of solving the cross. This is a cube that I remove its stickers. That's why you see the layers black, white and the rest of its colors. In this tutorial I'm gonna use one scramble. That scramble will be used throughout the rest of all the tutorials that I'm gonna show in the future. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, I'm gonna mix the cube with this one. Okay, the scramble will be written there and I begin now. B, D, R prime, D prime, R prime, U prime, L, F, D, R2, B, R2, B, D2, B, D2, L2, D2, F2, D2, F prime. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this cube with the same scramble that I did. You don't have to watch it. Okay, they have the same scrambles, only in the edges, as you see. Now, for solving the cross, you actually can have the cube scrambled as you want. So it actually doesn't matter. So let's begin with this first scramble. For solving the cross, yes, and I forgot it. For scrambling the cube, you must have white on the bottom and green in front. So you can realize it by the centers. That you have white on top and green in on front. Okay. For the first step, we are gonna do the daisy, which consists of daisy. Okay, we are gonna do the rotation, which is Z2, so Z2 like this. The daisy consists of doing 4 edges, so solving the 4 edges around the yellow center. We have the first one. Now 3 remain here. So now we are gonna look for them. So here's the one that we see. So I did this rotation while y prime, and now we can insert it here. So we can do it like this. So U prime, D, excuse me, R. Okay. Now for this cube that is scrambled, so as we did Z2, Y prime, and we do it like this. Okay, I did one-handed, but well. Okay. Now for another one, I see that one. For setting it there, I would do it like this. F, R. Okay, I do it now on this cube. Y prime, and now as we did it before, F, R. And now we do the last one, which is here. When setting it here, it would go like this. U prime, R. Now we do it on this cube. So now I do it on this cube that you have. U prime, R. And now we have the daisy. the flower that has the white and the yellow colors. Now the next steps is instead setting them on the bottom. So firstly, we must connect them with their centers. So this one is connected, but this one not. This must be connected with the red one, which is here. Okay. Firstly, we are gonna insert this one on the bottom because it's connected with its center, which is orange. So we are gonna do L2. Now I do it on this cube that you have, L2. Okay, now we do the rest of the edges. For connecting them with the centers, we move the top layer and we see if we have an edge connected. So we can do U prime, for example. Now we have this connected, and there this as well. This is not connected yet. So we're gonna put this downside, like this, and this one next. Okay, now I'm going to do it with this cube. So as we did, U prime, these both edges are connected. I insert them on the bottom. Now the last one, which we will connect it like this. So first we are gonna move the top layer until we see if it's connected. So we rotate it like this. Okay, it's not connected yet. We do it again. You not connected yet. We do it one more time. Now it's connected. Now we insert it on the bottom with L2. Okay, now we do it on this cube. So as we did. Okay, now we insert it. Okay, now we have a cross solve. Okay, this was the second part of my tutorial. On the next video I'm gonna show the third part, which consists of solving the corners this time. We are gonna do it with cross upside down. See you there.